Hello my friends and fans, welcome back to Roblox. Today we will be playing Bonga or Bogo Bogo. Something like that. Anyway, think I might join the bully truck. Whatever. Anyway, today we're gonna be playing this, and I'm trying to zoom in, but it isn't working. Anyway, Roblox, isn't it great? Oh yeah. Alright, that's a club. This is going down. This is basically a survival game that I need this. Alright. This is a survival game that is on Roblox, and I love survival games because, well, they're my favorite. Anyway, stone pick, wood pick. Alright. We're gonna throw this out. I'm gonna move this over here because it's stone. I mean, stone is better than wood. Hiya, hiya, hiya. I need to kill a shark. That'd be the best thing if I did, is kill a shark. Anyway, we need to get out of here. Because if we don't, we're going to be stuck here and we're going to go old and probably die. Because you know there's not that much food on this island, right? I mean, look. All they had was cactus. All this island had was cactus. And that's disappointing. I'm trying to grab this real quick, but I can't zoom in, which is kind of weird, but I mean, you get used to it. I might just build my house here. That'd be the perfect idea. But no. I'm gonna sail out on a raft and do our best. Campfire, a chest, a hut, a grinder. What does this do? I can't see it because it hasn't loaded in. Rafts, clothes. I need a leaf bag. I don't know what it does, but probably like, it's probably a backpack. That's probably what it is. Anyway, no, that's the wrong way. Alright. Let's see if we can make it to them, of course. Well, now I know how to look like this. Anyway, I gotta jump. My leaf armor is kind of bad. I gotta make another freaking raft because that one didn't work like I hoped it would. Alright, raft number 2 will go right there. See if it wants to work. Alright, I mean, it's not a bad island, so we're going on an adventure. Ow. This is where you get main resources, which I'm happy about, because main resources equals main goods. My raft completely crashed, but I have a wood axe, which isn't going to cut this tree down, but I might as well try, because I need a stick. God. Chickens. Do you mind if I take your eggs? Because I need that. You know what? I kind of want to eat the chicken. But you know what? I'm going to leave them alone. There's snails over there, and snails aren't the best food, but I mean they're food. So let's just chop this tree down and hope we get a stick. Because we need sticks if we're going to have a leaf backpack. Got a log, a stick, perfect, and leaves, which we do need for armor, which is very nice. Let's cut this tree down, and we might be able to make a leaf bag. Well, we will, but we just need to keep breaking it until we can make a leaf bag, which is gonna... Oh god. Oh, that was the wrong... Oops, sorry people. My thing crashed there for a second. Well, it didn't crash, it basically just shut off. Let me get this leaf bag real quick. Because the leaf bag, oh yeah, eggs. Yes! Now I have more storage, which is good. Because more storage equals more stuff. And more stuff equals more hunger and getting off the island. I'm just taking the eggs because I don't want to let them go to waste. And plus, I'm really good. I just need to build a hut. And I think that's a rock over there. It is a rock. I'm happy. It is. No, it's not a rock. There's a rock over here, or a dead tree, something like that. It looks like a rock. Is it a rock? I think it might be a rock. Nope, that is dead tree. I'm looking for a rock so I can build a building, which is basically a hut. I don't know what a hut is. It's basically like this tiny house. Which, I mean, By the way, oh, an apple. Oh, berries? That's nice. I'm in the Gray tribe. Yep, you heard me. The Gray tribe. The people who, When I'm hungry, I need to eat. Here, let me get this out of my hand. I just need to keep eating because I'm collecting one of every berry because I want to be that person who collects everything. And, is that a rock or a shark? Oh, I think it's a rock. Or just a bunch of broken hut pieces. No, it's a dock that looks completely broken. Your tribe is disbanded. Aw. Goodbye, Great Tribe. Someone invite me to their tribe. It looks like a gold. Oh my god, it's gold. Run as fast as you can. That's gold. That's a valuable resource. There's more gold? Here. I need to mine this pick. Cause maybe there are resources down here. Yeah, you think? Oh my god. Well, we're definitely not mining that. It's a gold node. It's iron. Yes, iron's a very valuable thing. And trust me, I've used iron before, and it was destroyed, but it's really good. I will join. No, why did I join the gray? No, wait, I joined the blue. Ha ha ha. Anyway, what did I get? That's something. It was like new hut, grinder, and oh, that's cool. Wood wall, wood gate, fish trap. Yes. A nest. Oh yeah, for chickens. And a plant box. Oh, I'm gonna be a real survival person out here. First, I need to get some coal, because if I don't, my fire... Oh, by the way, you need fire to heal, which is kind of weird. Also, if you want to heal, like, slower, you could eat food, but if you want to heal faster, use a fire. Blue tribe. Yeah, we're strong and mighty. And I'm stuck in, like, this tiny thing. Uh-oh. Please let me go. I just want to... No! I'm stuck here. Wait, no, I'm not.